Let's see how to fix missing features on TikTok. So if you use the TikTok app and some features are missing for you, maybe your friends have a specific feature or option but you don't have it in your specific app. Then let's learn how to fix the problem and get the missing features. The first thing you want to do is to open your TikTok application and go to your TikTok profile. Now tap the three lines and we want to go over to our settings and privacy. The next step is to scroll down until you can see this free up space option and open it. And in here, you simply need to clear the cache and the downloads. If you didn't clear these in a while, they may cause some bugs or other problems with the app, and maybe that's the reason you didn't have some TikTok features. But if this still didn't help, then you want to exit this and open your settings. Now go to the General section. Find the iPhone storage option and open it. And find TikTok on this list. But if you are on Android, you want to delete the TikTok app from your device, open the Google Play Store and install TikTok one more time. I'm on my iPhone, so we need to offload the app and then reinstall it. This will reinstall our app and force update it to the latest version, so we will have our missing features. But if you still don't have the feature, that means that they're not available for your region yet and you will have to wait a couple of days or weeks until they roll out the update and the features for your country. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.